Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video we will be making oil, like it's a combined oil. We'll be using our aloe vera, clove, onions and rosemary flower. So these are the 4 things we'll be using for this oil. So guys, first of all, you all know what aloe vera does to the hair. Like, for the onions that I use in putting in this ingredient, I know onions used to smell, but I'll be putting some coconut butter, like some coconut oil. So the coconut oil is going to kill the smell. It's not going to smell at all. So guys, just watch this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. As for this, my onions, I will be cutting my onions into 2 because I will not be needing everything. Yes, I will be cutting my onions into 2. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. How onions can help your hair. Onions can help your hair to grow. Like, onions does a lot of job. This is our clove. Yes guys, this is our clove. Do you see that? Our clove is so fresh. Like, the clove is so fresh. You all know the benefit of clove. Yeah, you all know the benefit of clove. It makes the hair to be very thicker. Yes, it removes dark circle, like anything that is not good that is in your hair. It don't make your hair to be inchy and all that. It gets rid of dandruff as well. I have this rosemary flower outside my house. Yes, so whenever I need rosemary flower, I just go to my compound and plug some to do my DIY tutorial and all that. So that's what I'll be using for my hair. Rosemary flower is so good. Like, the smell alone is so good. You can use it to cook. This rosemary flower have a lot of benefits. It promotes hair growth, guys. It boosts the scalp, like, he circulates the scalp, like it does a lot of things. So guys, I went ahead by putting my pot on the fire. Like, I want the way I want to get my oil. Like, I want to put all the ingredients that I've made already. I want to put it inside the fire and the hot water. So I make the hot water to be very, very, very hot before I put it inside. So guys, I leave it for about 30 to 35 minutes. Yes, I leave it for 30 minutes so that all the ingredients can go down inside the oil. So I leave it for like that, like it's cooked for 30 minutes. Guys, I was still checking. I'll say, okay, I think it's okay now. So guys, this is how it looks like. The oil have changed. Like, the smell of this thing is so nice. Like, the smell is like, oh god, like the smell. Oh, I didn't even know that it will smell nice because of the granules, or because of the onions that I put inside. So that is that, guys. As for the remaining onions and all that, the clove and the aloe vera and all that, I'm not going to throw it away. I'm not going to throw it away. I don't throw out my remaining stuff. I don't throw it out. So this is me just taking out the excess oil. I am going to blend it, as you can see, like this, guys. I'm going to blend it to do my mask, like mask for my hair. I'm going to blend it. This will serve me to do another, yes, this will serve me to do another DIY for my hair. Guys, this is me putting it on my hair. Please guys, like I will always say, don't forget to use the super thanks. Please don't forget to use the super thanks. Like this video, comment. If you are just coming across this video for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. As you can already see, I just parted my hair already because I want to part my hair like this so that I can put my oil in my skin, because I want it to go down well on my skin. So guys, like I will always say, you don't have to have long hair. Like, you don't have to have virgin hair, like full hair, like long hair, before you can use good remedy, like home remedy, like all this kind of remedy, clove, aloe vera and all that. You don't have to have all this kind of long hair before you can do all these things. No, that is wrong. I see somebody told me that because I don't have, my hair is not good, my hair is very small, so I don't need all this remedy for my hair. That one is a lie, guys. Me, I am applying all these things for my hair to be good, like healthy. Like, this is me massaging my hair. Like, guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, guys. I will see you all on my next video. I love you all. Please don't forget to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. See you all on my next video. Bye bye.